Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta vegetables. First, select a variety of fresh, seasonal vegetables such as colorful bell peppers, tender zucchini, and sweet cherry tomatoes. Next, prepare your chosen vegetables by washing them thoroughly and cutting them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and are easy to eat. Finally, cook your preferred pasta shape in salted water until it reaches a perfect al dente texture, following the package instructions carefully. Now let's get those vegetables cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil in a large skillet or pan over medium heat. Start by adding your harder vegetables, like carrots or broccoli florets, and saute them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they begin to soften but still retain a slight crispness. Then, add your softer vegetables, such as spinach or mushrooms, along with minced garlic, and cook for an additional 2 minutes until fragrant. It's time to bring everything together for a delicious meal. First, drain your cooked pasta, but remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of that starchy pasta water. This liquid is a secret ingredient for creating a silky sauce. Next, add the drained pasta directly into the skillet with your beautifully sautéed vegetables. Gently toss everything together, ensuring the vegetables are evenly distributed throughout the pasta. To finish, season your pasta dish generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance all those wonderful flavors. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like basil or parsley adds a vibrant touch. For an extra layer of taste, garnish with some grated Parmesan cheese or a pinch of red pepper flakes if you enjoy a little heat. Serve immediately and savor your homemade, healthy pasta and vegetables. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.